Hello guys, hopefully you all will be fine. Today's our discussion topic is how to make a login window in C#. Let's start our video. New project. I am going to select window form application, login form, save on desktop. First of all, I am going to set my form properties, give it a name and start my designing. Let's start. First of all, I have to set its dimension size. Let's say 375, 550. Why I choose this dimension we'll discuss later. Let's give it a name. FRM login and text on the top of FRM1. Here is we should write login window. Let's set the background image. Here its color, background image, import, login. Friend, first of all I have made a graphic for login window. Let's here we have to stretch it. Here's my login window. Let's take a shortcut key for tools. Toolbox is Control Alt X. We have to need a panel or group box. Let's set group box property. Background color should be transparent to make design awesome. Background image none. For color we should select white. Let's give it a name, login window. Set it font, Latino type. You should bold it. Now we should take other component, open toolbox. First we need a button, then we need text box, and a label. We have all the things right here. Let's start. Give label name, username, control and drag to copy the item, and password. Give a name to text box. Here txt name, and control drag to copy, change its name txt password, and drag control button to change its name vtn login, and the second one is vtn cancel, and set their text cancel. Here login. Let's set button properties. Background color transparent, image style, and it should be pop-up. Guys, button transparent color will be show on pop-up flat style, otherwise it will not show. Just like standard flat it good, but pop-up when you take cursor on button, it will pop up its border. Let's start it to equal space we should use given. Make them equal, give some space. Guys, here our GUI is ready here. Now GUI is ready here. Let's start some coding. Double click on cancel button. On cancel button click, window or our application should be exit application.exe exit, just nothing else, and go to the login. Now I'm going to create private void login. Here I'm going to start string username, string password, string password, and type here Umair terminator, and my password is 123. Let's use this if condition. If username equal to txt. Now call our button username dot text, and password equal to txt password dot text. We use a message. We are going to use a pop-up or message box dot show here the message pop-up name, login confirm, login confirm. Next is you have login successfully, and here set to the message box dot button. Okay, and the message icon will be information, else message box dot show message box dot show login denied. Next one is you have entered wrong password or username, please check again. Message button will be retry or cancel. Message icon will be warning. So guys, we have made a login function. Now call it on our login button coding. Execute our project. My name is Omer 123. Login confirmation, you have successful login. Now check the cancel button. Our program execute. Let's check with the wrong password, name or username. Omer offer 23456. Login denied, you have entered wrong password, username, please check again. Cancel. Now let's set the icon or something. Window should be in our central. Select window form, go to properties box, startup position, default location, you should select center, and icon if you have any. Let me check, I have not. I have. Open. Here is its icon. Guys, here our video is end. The code and the this project login form I will give the link in description. Kindly, if you like my videos, like, subscribe and please comment. Thank you so much.